I'm here with Charles, who is a major supporter, family friend. He helped me get the tent for this car that it was originally in, but you're going to teach me how to drive stick today. And I know we've been talking about this for a while. I'm very, very excited. And not a lot of people know how to drive stick, want to drive, just period. So, and apparently it's like more of the fun of driving. Tell me more about that.
Well, I mean, that's why I bought the car. One, it's a millennial anti-theft. Not many kids can drive it. Not many even adults my age know how to drive manual. So that's why I got it. It also gives you more control. So it takes a little finesse though. So we're gonna see.
Let's try it. Let's try it. Let's
hop in the car and see how it goes. All right. And turn it on there. All right. Feather that. Woo! All right. So slowly let out the clutch. It's kind of like that whole timing thing. When you go to shift, you can take your foot off the gas, and you'll get this timing. Okay. You get this timing thing where you're playing like this all the time. That's right. Here's the other tip: if it starts jerking, just put your clutch back down, and it won't die. I'll do one lap and I'll show you what I mean. If I wanted to come into a turn, I'm going to slow things down, no brake, and I put it in second. And it's slowing the car down without me braking. When I go to shift, clutch goes in and I let it out till I feel that catch and I give it gas. So as I'm letting that clutch out and I feel it catch, my right foot is on the gas doing this. And remember, the foot's giving gas. Start giving more gas now, more. Perfect, that's it.
Does it always start like that, or can it be smoother once you get
It's smoother when you give more gas. And
when you give more.
You give the gas and it goes. It's a neutral. Whenever the clutch is in, you're in neutral. Okay. It doesn't, the gears are not engaged. This is a neutral. Once, like if you put your foot on the clutch, the gears are now meshed together, but no power is going to them. Once you let that clutch out, they grab. So that's kind of, all right. And then this is the hard part, was like you're gonna feather it a little bit on the left, feather it. Once you feel that catch on the left, that's where you can let it out till you feel it catch, start giving gas more, and that's where give gas, almost. Give gas. And when it starts to do that, push the clutch back in.
Okay.
And more gas. Almost, yeah. Let the clutch out, give it gas, and let the clutch out until you feel a catch.
I don't feel anything catching.
Right, it's right there. If it starts to lurch, you can push that clutch and it will stop. And then you can just redo it and give more gas. And so what I want you to do is, before we get there, give a little brake and then shift it down in the second. Clutch goes in, shift it down in the second, let the clutch out, it catches. You're gonna give more gas and let out that clutch to give more. Yeah, that's it. Perfect. Yeah, that was a good job. Sweet.
Okay, this was great. Hopefully I didn't ruin your clutch. I stalled out quite a few times, but have some work to do, but thank you so much for teaching me. This has been fun. It's like driving a race car, for real.
Definitely, we'll have to do it again.